Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to look at the BTC and then link price actions. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from the BTC under a weekly time frame. In the last video that I mentioned, as long as we're going to be above 41,800, 500, ideally $42,000, then the weekly time frame will be out of the consolidation zone. However, going below this level, weekly time frame may enter into consolidation. But the main and important level that the weekly time frame, in order to be safe on the weekly time frame, we have to be above $48,000, I would say $47,500, ideally $48,000, then the weekly time frame will be quite safe. However, to take the control on the weekly time frame, we have to stay above $55,000 and $56,000, and then we will see highly likely the new all-time high. However, before we discuss those levels, I believe we need to move on to a lower time frame, a daily time frame. If we're going to analyze the daily time frame, as soon as we lost with this candle $60,000, daily time frame entered heavily under the bear's control. However, to regain the consolidation under a daily time frame, bulls need to claim 48,500, ideally $49,000, and then the daily time frame will be under the consolidation. However, we've got lower levels at around 45,500 and $46,000 that you need to watch carefully. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, as soon as we reached to our target level was around, we've been waiting since the previous correction, $68,000 and $70,000 were our target level, and right in between we reached to our 69,000 target level. And if you take your Fibonacci levels from the top to the bottom, we've got a rejection right from 618, the golden pocket, as you can see, and we had initial entry right from the 618, that was around 66,500. However, high probability setup came, as I mentioned, and showed once we lost our resistance was around 63,000, 63,500. That was cautious level, was as soon as we entered right inside the green level and broke the smart money, the white line, entered into bear zone. For swing traders, we started opening a short trade, and from there the support levels at around 50,000 all the way up to $48,000. So from 63,000, or if you're a conservative trader, you would have shorted at around $63,000. Otherwise, if you shorted from 618, the golden pocket, all the way up to $48,000, that was 27% profit. However, once you saw another rejection from the green line, and that was a fake out or SFP, and then we started dumping further down. After we had the dump right from $52,000, we came all the way up to $39,800. And at the moment, we're now claiming on the 4-hour time frame this resistance at around $46,000 plus. The 4-hour time frame will be heavily under the bear's control, claiming this resistance as a support. Then the next level, as I mentioned in the previous videos, is going to be $55,000 and $56,000, and we've got $52,000 the resistance, which I'm not paying too much attention at this stage. Otherwise, if we're going to see another rejection right from, as you can see, we're having right from high time frame resistance, then this time highly likely we may end up to this support box, which is going to be around 38,000 and all the way up to $36,000. Before we move on to the link analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing to you, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclasses available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on to link. As soon as the link touched the last time $38.50, and once we lost the white as well as once we out from the red line, link started dumping with a BTC, and from there, as soon as we lost the $32.50, we saw 53% dump. Recently, link started flashing another buy signal, so once we went all the way up to $24 and we came back right inside to this red line as a result of the higher time frame resistance were there. So at the moment that I'm expecting 20% profit from Link. The targeting level is around $30 to $31. However, if you're paying an attention on the price action, that we can see a higher height structure. However, on this oscillator, we're seeing a lower highs, which is not really too concerning at the moment, as long as you manage your risk properly, and then you can target all the way up to $31.50, $32. So this is going to be their game structure. You're going to have a stop loss at around below $25. These regions are going to be the buy level for me, which I mentioned via Twitter yesterday, and the target level is between $31 and $32. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.